So I'm doing my delivery route today, and I see this little kid chasing my truck, trying to flag me down. He's like, excuse me. So I pull over. I'm like, hey, man, what's up? He's like, can you mail something for me? I was like, yeah, sure. And he runs in his house. He comes back out, and he goes, hey, sir, do you know the pro skater Tony Hawk? I was like, yeah, I know who he is. He goes, can you mail this to him? And this is what it was. He says, get this to Tony Hawk for me. Tell him it's from Cooper. And I just thought it was adorable. His mom comes outside and kind of winks and was like, yeah, make sure you get it to Tony Hawk. Obviously, I can't mail it to Tony Hawk. I don't know Tony Hawk's address. But the least I could do was put it out there in the universe. So, Tony, if you see this, Cooper in Suwanee, Georgia is a big fan. Maybe you can give him a shout out. And the next time I drive by his house, I'll show him the video. And it'll probably make his whole life.
Hey Cooper, what's up? It's Tony Hawk, and I just want to say thank you so much for the skateboard. It's on its way to my house already, and as a thank you gift, I'm going to send you my skateboard, this one right here that I'm riding. All right? Thanks, buddy. I hope to meet you sometime.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for the overwhelming love and support you gave the last video I did about Cooper. And to Tony Hawk, thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to do something so kind for this kid. I'm sure he'll appreciate it. You've earned a lot of respect from me, and I want you all to meet somebody.
Hello.
What's up, Cooper? What do you want to say to Tony?
I just want to say thank you for the skateboard, and you're a very great skater.
That's awesome, man. Hey, you're such a sweet kid, and I'm really glad this worked out for you. So, yeah, keep skating.
Hey, I just wanted to say that I'm a huge fan, and I really like you, and there's a board coming your way, so be prepared, and yeah, I think you're great.
That's awesome. So that was Cooper and his older brother, Tucker. Great kid. What's up, everybody? I just wanted to give you an update. You may or may not know that Cooper and Tucker received their skateboards from Tony Hawk this morning, and they loved them. And I'm so happy that we were able to use social media in a positive way, connecting with one another, working together to make somebody's day, because that's what it's all about. So here they are. These are the boards. They got them this morning. So this is which one's your favorite, Cooper?
This one.
This one's your favorite. Look at that. This is amazing. Tony Hawk himself was skating on this just a few days ago, and I'm just really happy it worked out. These guys are great, and I wish I was you guys' uncle. I just love you guys so much. But, yeah. All right, take it easy.
Scuffed there and there. Hi. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Good to see you. It's alright. Have a good night, man.
Hi.
See you.
Where from?
Australia.
Australia. Wow.
Yeah. Have a good night, man.
So, now is it fair?
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, fine. See you, man.
Okay. See you.
Have a good night.
Hi.
No problem. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Very afraid in Japan. Had my trips. Yeah, two days ago in Japan.
Yeah.
Come in Japan.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Are you in danger?
Yes, very dangerous.
Really?
But finish the train.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Και γιατί είναι πιασμένος. Όχι, είναι ζωντανή, θα ζήσει άμα την ελευθερώσουμε. Αυτά τα δίχτυα. πρόσεχε το λαιμό της. Μαρίνα, ελευθέρωσε πρώτα το σώμα της.
Ωραία, πρωί.
Πρόσεχε με την πληγώσεις. Κρίμα το ζωντανό κρίμα. Είναι μόνο χελουνάκι, πρόσεχε. Έχει κοπεί ο λαιμός της. Θα ζήσει. Είναι πολύ πιασμένη. Είναι πολύ πιασμένη. Είναι σχεδόν σφαγμένο το ζώο. Αμαρτία. Πρόσεχε, πρόσεχε. Θα πονάει πιο πολύ έτσι. Σιγά σιγά. Σιγά σιγά. Κάτσε καλό μου, κάτσε. Κάτσε να σε ελευθερώσουμε, κάτσε. Μαρίνο, το λαιμό της πρέπει να λύσουμε πριν φύγει, γιατί αλλιώς πάλι θα τη σφάξει, δεν θα ζήσει. Πρόσεχε, πρόσεχε. Κοίτα, αυτά της έχουν κόψει το λαιμό. Του παγίνεις έτοιμα. Πρόσεχε. Κοίτα, είναι μικρό. Αυτό στο χέρι της έχει λυθεί. Δεν έχει λυθεί, θα της κόψει το χέρι, εντάξει. Γλυκιά μου, φύγε. Κοίτα. Στο καλό. Δεν θα τα καταφέρει. Δεν θα τα καταφέρει. Έφυγε. you.